Hey guys, I made my sister put on make. Oh, my hair's falling. Let me fix this. No. Okay. I made my sister put on makeup. Ooh, that hair clip looks
It
dumb.
looks so good. So good.
But I made her put on makeup for no reason. Because we were supposed to make a video. And she was going to be a wannabe gangsta, chola, girl with lots of makeup.
Nasty person.
Yeah, baby. You fun. You fun.
It's so
Nobody's
fun.
perfect except Zayn Malik.
Nobody's perfect.
You gotta work it. And now Horn for the rest of. And Liam and Louis. And Harry. What? Nobody's perfect except One Direction. Anyways, we got her makeup.
Yeah.
Come in
Sexy
closer.
voice.
Come in closer, girl. Ew! I was eye raped. You know who's eye raped? Anyone who's ever watched South Park, you've been eye raped.
Yes.
Because when they bounce around on their... Never mind. Anyways, Family Guy's pretty clean. No, that's hilarious. Whales. The poor whales.
Let's creep you out.
You're gross.
Yes. Join the club, Brandy.
Brenda, stop being so disgusting. I do not like when you act disgusting like that.
Yay.
That's not cute. I'm
That's
just
supposed to
kidding.
be, Brandy.
When people are disgusting, it's very delicious. Ew, that sounded pretty gross. Ah, this is what we do with our summers. All we do is sit at home and do nothing. I'm just kidding. I
We do
watch the
stuff.
Style Network and Nickelodeon and MTV. And I want Jersey Shore to come back because, yeah, I haven't seen what Mike's been up to. Like anyone really cares. Just kidding, I care what all of them are doing. I heard that Vinny got punked. No, it was Ronnie. Never mind.
Yeah, it was Ronnie.
not Vinny.
It was Ronnie.
I don't even remember who punked him. Shut up, bitch. I'm just kidding. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. Hello, 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 hello. Tell me a cheesy joke so I can laugh.
Which cheers? That's not yours. Not your cheers.
Hello, 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 hello. Why did the mushroom get invited to the party? Because he was a fun guy.
Yay. That's nice. That's nice. Your face is cool.
Because he was a fun guy. Hello, 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 hello. Why? Hey, baby. Are you a library?
in your hair.
Hey, baby. Are you a library book? Because I'd love to check you out.
What?
Hello, 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 hello. Hey, baby. Do you like seafood? Because I got crabs.
Hello.
That's not funny. That's serious. Brenda. Ah! Hello, 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 hello. Hi there. Would you like to have a staring contest?
Hey, did you know
Oh,
that
I
there's a
laughed.
portal under your bed that leads to your bed?
Yeah, I have a portal under my bed that leads to everyone's bed in the world. So every day, I get to say hi to my best friend, Lady Gaga, and Cher Lloyd. And then I get to go hang out
You get to go hang
with
Zayn.
One Direction. Yeah, and Zayn. Yay! 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 If anybody wants to come with me, that's too bad. Because I'm not going to let you hang out with Zayn. You can hang out with Harry, though. Or Niall, or Louis, or Liam. No, not even them. You can hang out with... You have Miley Cyrus. Just kidding. She's too cool for you, too.
She's so cool.
Just kidding. You can hang out with Zane. I don't mind. Because we're married. Just kidding. LOL.
He doesn't even know that you're married, but he's still married.
Zane doesn't even know I'm alive. I don't even know if he knows that Brandy is a name. I think he's probably like, oh, I like brandy, you know, the alcohol. I like to put it in cookies and tea. Ew. I like brandy and cookies and tea. That sounds really disgusting. Nah. Do you like my hair? Because I really don't. Yes, I do. Why are you arguing with me? Brandy, be quiet. No, Brandy. Why do you always put me down like that? Ah! Brenda, stop looking at me like I'm crazy. Yeah, Brenda, you act like I talk to myself. I'm not even talking to myself. Really now. Exactly. See, Brandy knows how I feel. Yeah, Brandy knows. Yay! Yay for Brandy! Knowing about not talking to herself. Yay! Shut up. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kitten.
I'm scared.
Moo. Moo.
I'm scared.
Moo cow. Meow. Lions. I like lions. If cows weren't so beautifully amazing, a lion would probably be my favorite animal. No. Cows are.
Cows?
Yes, Brandy. Oh my god, I feel like we're so alike in every way. But don't steal my man because I will hit you. You don't even have a man. I wish I did. No, you don't. Yeah, probably not. Are you a lesbian? No. Then why? Why what? Why don't you have a man? Because I'm so lonely. Brenda, don't leave. I want you to stay. This video is long.
You should probably stop it then.
Okay. Bye, lovelies.
Bye, Ribbons.